Hello everyone. We celebrated Tourism Day at Government High School Zuna Bazar with all the SOPs for the COVID pandemic. Our students of NSQF of Standard 10 displayed various models and charts on this day. The Tourism Group displayed all the unique festivals celebrated in the villages of Goa like Mange Thapni, Shishirani, Sanjao, etc. Mi Chakkar Group covered all the tourist places where famous Bollywood movies have been shot like The Dil Chahta Hai, Golmaal, Bhootnath, etc. Adventure Tourism Group covered all the adventure tourism activities like bungee jumping, zip line, kite surfing, paragliding, etc. Our state coordinator for NSQF, Mr. John Silvera, was the chief guest for the function. He felicitated our ex-students of NSQF with the NSDC certificates. Our ex-students also gave their valuable inputs how NSQF has benefited not only personally but also to choose their career path to their juniors. Now, let's have a glimpse of this function.
है चमक मेरी निगाहों में, है बुलंदी ख्यालों में, कि है चमक मेरी निगाहों में, है बुलंदी ख्यालों में। मैं पत्थर से भी टकरा के उसे रेजा रेजा कर दूंगा। इस हाई स्कूल ने मुझे वह मौका दिया एक नया वलवला कुछ उम्मीद की किरणें, कुछ कर गुजरने का जज्बा, कि मैं ढूंढूं रास्ता खुद अपनी मंजिल का। A very good afternoon to respected chief guest, Mr. John, principal, PTA members, teachers, and my dear friends. It is a great pleasure for me to speak here today at this function. I am Ramul Ambar, 2016-17 batch, and I would like to thank Ms. Zui teacher and Prabha teacher for having us here and give me this opportunity to speak at this function. Moving forward, I would like to thank NSQF coordinators and instructors for running this subject successfully in Government High School, Zuna Bazar. It helped us really a lot. It helped us in improving our communication skills, grooming standards, basic etiquettes of F&B and hotel industry. It helped us really a lot for me in many ways. And I believe because of that only I am today doing my on-the-job training in ITC Grand Goa, and I am grateful to you, ma'am, for that. I would like to give a small message to my all dear friends that in life at some point you may feel down, but never ever give up. Give your best, be positive, have can-do attitude, and achieve a great heights, and make the good name of our Government High School, Zuna Bazar. Today when I was videos of Government High School Zuna Bazar on YouTube, I feel joyous that my school is doing something great, and I feel blessed to be a part of it. And before stepping down, I would like to thank all my teachers for their endless efforts in making that students' future bright and helping me throughout my school days and even today. And thank you one and all. Stay safe and stay blessed. Thank you.
Teachers and all my dear friends. As introduced by Daya teacher, my name is Jyoti Kumbhar. I was the ex-students of this school from batch 2017 and 18. I pursued my higher secondary education in SS Samiti Higher Secondary Coverage, and currently I am pursuing BSc in PS College, Pharmacology. I am in second year now. Side by side, I am doing a part College in Ponda. The company where I am working is a dealer for all the laboratory and pharmaceutical equipments and the materials which it supplies to all the pharma companies like Cipla, you may be heard of, the tablet manufacturing company, then Lupin, Verbo, Molbio, etc. And also the research institute based in Goa like BITS Pilani Goa, NCPOR, ICR, NIMR, etc. Since I have already opted for a science stream from the last 3 years, the work at my part-time job was what I wished for. It is adding to my existing knowledge. This work is giving me an opportunity to personally interact with many people from these scientific fields, especially the research scholars, the scientists from the research institutes I mentioned before. I had never imagined that at this early age of mine, I would get these great personalities even to see, forget about interacting with them. So, today here we have been felicitated with this NSDL certificate for completing the NSDF course. I had opted for travel and tourism, and I am glad to tell you that I have completed all the 4 levels of these subjects. There are many things that I could learn through the core of this course, which I could personally apply to help my day-to-day lives. It can be the communication skills, it can be the self-management skills, etiquette and hospitable conduct, health and hygiene, entrepreneurial skills, grooming techniques, telephonic etiquettes. It can also be a learning of foreign language. Through this course, we could have a closer look to what is actually a tourism industry. What are the various sectors in it? What are the various job opportunities in it? What are the career opportunities in it? Through the travel and tourism course, we were exposed to various aspects of the travel and tourism field like hotel industry, travel agencies, airports, what is called as food and beverage, what is visas, what are passports, everything. One experience I would like to tell you all, when I had gone for my first job interview. When we go for a job interview, we are basically nervous. But being a student of travel and tourism, we have learned the basic things we have to follow when we go for an interview. And the best thing is that I gave my interview confidently, and also I moved a compliment from the person who was taking my interview. So it is actually a very good thing which I could do. And the most favorite part of this subject for all of us is going on field trips. The memories are still in my mind. We are blessed with the best teachers who took us on various field trips to variety of places. Then all the informative sessions by the resource persons, different workshops, performing role plays as of travel agencies, front office, tourist guide was very much fun. We all are very fortunate that we get to learn such a wonderful subject that not only help us in making our career but also benefits in our day-to-day lives. I am also thankful to my higher secondary principal that she permitted me to continue this subject in standard 11 and 12, and I could complete the 4 levels of this subject. My brother, who had opted for travel and tourism in standard 9th and 10th, could not continue there is no higher secondary in Ponda offering travel and tourism, but he had shifted over to retail subject now. Finally, a piece of advice to all my dear junior friends: please don't ignore this subject saying it is an extra subject. Please take whatever benefits you get from it. Because in today's generation, having just one degree is not enough. If you really want to have a good career and a good future, you have to have a bunch of skills with you. As you move forward to higher education in the society, you will come to know that there is a huge competition. And if you want to get noticed by someone, you have to be unique. And for that, you should make the most of every opportunity you get. My words about my teachers. They have been and will always be the greatest influence on my life. They have always helped me. Even today, being an ex-student, when I approach to them, they always help me. Especially Daya teacher, Prabha teacher, they always there to help me. They always motivate me. With this, I would like to thank you again for inviting me here and for giving me platform to share few words with you. Thank you so much.
I am Meghna Dalvi. So I am pursuing now BBA in Travel and Tourism, that is Bachelor of Business Administration in Travel and Tourism. So thanks to NSQF, it gave an opportunity to us to have this subject called Travel and Tourism, which built interest in me to take this subject or subject yoga पता inspired करा. So it built interest in me about TNT, sorry. So it improves my communication skills. Then it improves my, it built confidence in me. Then it taught us how to work with team and all such things. So thank you for this. And I'm always thankful to my teachers who are always supportive. Until now I'm an ex-student, but still now they are supporting me. And whenever I meet them, they are for me. So thank you everyone. For my juniors, I just want to tell you that please take this course and go forward. Have some interest in this. It's very amazing course. You will definitely enjoy this. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Thank you.
From Goa Multi-Faculty College, Dharbandora, and I am final year student, and I am doing specialization in marketing, and I have completed my retail course in level 4. So first of all, I am very thankful for our school, our education department to introducing such courses like retail and travel and tourism for us in school level. So our batch was the first batch to get that opportunity and the benefit of these courses. And the retail courses have been very helpful for me. Through retail, I have improved my communication skills through role play activities, Viva, etc. So it boosted my confidence to speak in front of the people. My stage fear in me is more or less same or now less. So it also helped me in developing entrepreneurship skills when canteen in our school for the first time. For that we all search for the information in the market and plan accordingly. So this promoted our entrepreneurship and teamwork for us, and along with this it also have beneficial for the mark sheet with the increase in percentage and also for the CV purpose. And I remember when we were completing our level 4 has given us the activity has given us activity of creating advertisement for and performing the same. So our group was like lost completely, like what to do, how to do, and what can we do for that. And simply we decided to create a poetic dialogues for the advertisement, and we were like, let's see what happened, let's give a try. So we performed it, and we were never expected that our sir will be like so impressed by us. So he was so impressed that he also shared this ad with one of his colleagues, which he is advertisement manager. We were like it was very appreciation for us. They also appreciated us for creating such an ad. So I am very thankful for this course which also benefited to decide what to do further. So I am telling this because this is the point where I knew that what am I good at and what choose further. So from this I decided to do market specialization. So it's still benefiting me in the graduation. In my graduation, we have marketing subject, related subject, and which retail management is also a subject. So this is retail I have learned, so I have the basic knowledge of it. So it is like just glancing of my retail education. So I would like to suggest that take these courses and have benefit from it. And lastly, I will thank you teachers for inviting us and allowed to share our thoughts on this platform. Thank you, Monica.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, teachers, my dear friends. Thank you, Prabha teacher and Jay teacher for having me here. Myself, Shikha Makanda from 2017 and 18 batch. And I completed my higher secondary in Shiroda Higher Secondary. Now I'm pursuing my BCA degree in JTM's college. So today I'm here going to speak about my experience with NSQF subject. So I was a travel and tourism student, and it was very fun and very much knowledgeable to study, and also teacher Siddhi was the best to teach us. The main thing is that it taught me communication skills, how to build up my personality, how a positive attitude triggers our enthusiasm, enhances our creativity, what are our normal life etiquettes, social etiquettes, and many more. Even we had a role plays loaded with fun while practicing, and we used to learn new ideas, information about new destinations. The subject really helps you on how to interact each and every person. Even today I am standing in front of you, in front of my teachers, speaking without any fear and hesitation. It's just because of role plays, because it vanishes all your stage fear. So also all groups succeeded in doing role plays in front of an examiner just because of Siddhi teacher, because she helped us a lot to being perfect in that. So the all credit goes to her and my other teachers too. But it was my bad luck that I can't continue the subject in 11th standard as it was not available in our higher secondary. So it's my request to NSQF subject organizer about this. It should be available in every higher secondary, in every school, to continue the learning, because it changes the whole person in a positive way. Altogether, it makes the person with etiquettes to face the world with no fear. The thing is that you all should take interest in that and learn. Thank you everyone, and I feel blessed and lucky to be a part of this function and this school and this NSQF subject. Thank you everyone.
Government High School, Juna Bazar, Madam Urmila Barve, Chairman of the PTA, Mr. Tato, respected teachers, parents, ex-students, students, and my dear friends. I think no speech today can compare to the 5 speeches that we heard before my speech. In fact, the 5 of them, if I have to know they were speaking, they should have been made the chief guest. All 5 of them, and anybody else who wanted to speak. Because what they have spoken is what makes all of us very, very happy. In 2014, when we started NSQF in Goa, we started this program in just 38 government high schools with just 2,086 students all over Goa in 9th standard. It was a big challenge for all of us. Big challenge because this was an additional 7th subject. And the first time when we said this is an additional subject, the questions that came were, my God, that means our students will be burdened with another subject. And then we had to tell them, this is not going to be a burden, this is going to be a subject where we are going to learn some skills. Then when we said the practical timing is 2 to 4, then again there was a big noise. 2 to 4. Our Kadamba buses, they will not come and take the students there. The buses don't come into the interiors. How are our students going to attend practicals from 2 to 4. That was another challenge that we had to face when we started in 2014-15. But we were determined. And we requested those heads who implemented the program that this is something for the benefit of the students. And I must thank all those heads of institutions and all those teachers who were instrumental in giving the required support for NSPF in the very first year when we implemented it. That was 2014. We are now in 2021. The program has grown from 2,086 students to around 8,476 NSPF students. From 4 sectors which we had in 2014-15, NSQF has grown up to around 14 sectors. From 44 instructors we had in 2014, we now are going to have more than 200 instructors for 21-22. And when we see feedback coming in the form of your students, whether it is retail or whether it is tourism and hospitality, it makes us feel good. It makes us feel good that what was started by all of us, Madam Urmila Barve was also a part of it when we started it. What was started by us in 2014 is going strong. And the reason it is going strong is because of not just the heads, but all the teachers. I'm not just saying NSPF instructors. All the teachers who have been supporting this program. It's because of those parents who went out of their way to see that the students get this additional subject. It is because of the students who never complained and attended practicals from 2 to 4. Because if they had not to be serious about their practicals from 2 to 4, then you would not see the confidence that we saw here. Today also when we go to schools, to address, we feel so good when students come and they speak very, very confidently about certain things that we are going to speak about. I think that is the beauty of teaching. And that is the magic that as teachers, all of us work on these students. I was just addressing a felicitation function for a retired teacher 2 days back. And I told the teachers there, I said, this is not a job that will happen. I said, this is an opportunity. An opportunity to ensure that we give to these young minds what they want to do. An opportunity to show them the path as to where they should go. An opportunity to hone up their skills so that a person who is sitting in the audience and only used to listening comes up here and speaks confidently. An opportunity to get an NSPC certificate, which is very, very important tomorrow when you're going for a job, because it says that you have acquired that particular skill in that particular job. So basically, the credit for the performance of the students and the success of the students should go to all of you. The teachers, the parents, the students, and everybody who is involved, because we are all trying to polish you up to be good citizens of our India. Now a word about my NSPF instructors who are posted here. I'm happy to see Siddhi also here. Okay. Now these NSPF instructors that we have appointed are very, very talented. They are all from the industry. They have been working, they have working experience, and they have come here to teach our students. So our instructors are very good, but at the same time, you can take their support and organize programs for your parents as well as your teachers. So this NSPF, even though we say it is for our NSPF students, there is no restriction for anybody who wants to learn, not outsiders. I'm talking about the teachers with the permission of the headmistress. With the permission of the headmistress. Today we are actually here to celebrate World Tourism Day. Okay? Something that is very, very important for all of us. When after mining was closed in Goa, tourism is the thing that has been saving our economy. Right? And the last 1.5 years, all of us know what trouble our various sectors have faced in Goa. But it's time to look up. It's time to be very optimistic. Because you have seen that exhibition, and that exhibition tells you what are the various activities that we have for tourism in Goa. What is the infrastructure that has been developed? Why is it that everybody now will look to Goa? They will come not just because of the beaches that we have. They will come because of so many things that we have. We've got the forest, we've got the wildlife. We are talking about hinterland tourism. We've got local festivals, we have seen some of them. We've got waterfalls, springs and lakes. I remember in my neighborhood, I stay in Kansal, in Kesarwal, there was a spring. Every year during the summer, we used to go to that spring. It was quite close to our residence, and we used to enjoy it. The internet, and I saw there are 19 waterfalls, prominent waterfalls in Goa. There are around 8 springs, prominent. There might be others also. There are about 12 lakes which are very popular in Goa. Besides that, we have our religious and historic monuments, our local food, our farms, our bakeries, eco resorts. We have such a lot of opportunities for tourism. We have a lot of opportunities for retail as well. The retail sector has changed over the years, and there are a lot of opportunities that we have for retail as well. So we need to train these students up, because in the future, the jobs are going to be based on the job role. So when you go for a job, that NSDC certificate will help you get a job. Okay? So let us all work together, because ultimately what we are doing is for the students. From Samartha Shiksha, you all will get all the support that you all require from us. Okay? We will give you all the support that we require, but we need to see the results coming in the form of the performances of the students. I must thank the headmistress, Ma'am Barbe, for having invited me over, and all of you for having listened to my speech. Let's keep the program going strong, and let us ensure that all our students make a world proud. Thank you very much.
Thank you.